So we've got a Lucknow 2420 TMR, and we feed the cows in an H bunk, and we put clips on the cylinder to stop it from going down, but they've fallen off over time, and the cylinder has ridden too much on the H bunk, and now it's ground away so much that it's actually pouring hydraulic fluid out of it. So we bought a new cylinder for it, and we're gonna go ahead and change it out. Shouldn't be too big of a job here, hopefully. So we got a new cylinder here. It's just a standard cylinder. We bought it just from a hardware store here. Nothing special, 140 bucks. And there's the old one taken off. Connected the hydraulic lines. Needed an adapter because it was a little different size. But should be putting her back together here in a couple minutes. We got her all hooked back up, and we unloaded a load of haylage, or a TMR for the cows. You'll notice we put some locks on here to stop the cylinder from going all the way down so it doesn't rub on the H bunk again. And I had used those before, but they kept coming off, so this time we put actual hose clamps on them, so hopefully that solves our problem, so we're not continuously replacing that hydraulic cylinder every couple of years. So anyway, hope your day's going well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below, and if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.